Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. We are so close to Christmas. It's crazy. But I am just starting the vlog now. It's actually 3 o'clock. I don't know how it's 3 o'clock. I feel like it should be noon, but apparently it's 3. But all I've done so far today is edit my vlog from yesterday, get that up for you, and then I was designing some stuff on my iPad and my laptop, which I still have more of that to do when I get home, so I'll probably film a time-lapse of that. But what was I gonna say? I don't know. But I left the house, as you can tell, and I got an oil change, so that was really fun. Not actually, but it's done, so I'm happy about that. And then I went to go drop off one of the gifts that I designed to the person that ordered it. She's giving like these 2 tickets as gifts, and she wanted something physical to give the people, so I designed a little like fake ticket moment. So there's that. Dropped those off, and now I'm headed to Ross because I need a picture frame for the mom that I nanny for, which is another one of the gifts that I designed this morning, which I'll show you when I go back home. But yeah, so that's designed and ready, but I didn't print it because I didn't know for sure what size frame I'm gonna get or like find. So I'm just gonna wait until I get the frame, and then I'll print it when I get back home, because there's no rush at all. It's not Christmas yet, but pretty close. So I need a frame, and then I also need the last of George's stocking stuffers, and then I am done shopping. Have all the things. I've wrapped a lot, which is really good because I feel like my thing is I'm usually very good about getting the gifts a lot earlier than I did this year, that's for sure. But then I don't wrap them until Christmas Eve or like sometimes Christmas Day, because I just kind of like feel like, oh, I have them, you know, doing good on time, and then I forget that like wrapping is a thing, and it also takes a minute. Like, it's not something that you can just whip up really fast, especially when you have a lot of gifts. So I'm doing better in that regard this year. Just started shopping a little late, but that's okay because now we're done and it's the 22nd, so I think I'm okay. But yeah, I just wanted to film this little intro clip for you. Sorry to talk your ear off this early in the vlog, but I'm going to Ross now, so I'm really hoping I could find a frame there, and then maybe even a couple things I can throw in George's stocking. So I'll keep you updated. the next day, but I forgot to end the vlog, so I wanted to quickly say thank you for watching. The baby's sleeping, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another vlog.